Da 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 da.
Oh, check out the doodies! Turn around!
Da 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 da. Can you see?
Hi, sweetie. You didn't warm up. I know. I just want to go over some of the stuff.
Yep.
Don't hurt yourself. I won't hurt myself. We're just gonna be very easy, okay? Yeah, okay. So do a lisp. A what? Do a lisp. What's a lisp? Natural lisp, anyways. No, tell me, what's a lisp? A lisp is when somebody talks like... Why do I want to talk like that? I don't know. Let's forget that. Yeah, please. We're always trying to talk as clearly as possible. Why do I want to do a lisp? I can't stop sneezing. Here. Oh, my goodness sakes. Oh, God. Oh, I think I have... Honey, I've never heard you with the hiccups. Oh, it's kind of the strain on the heart. Are you okay, honey? Want a little bit of coffee?